Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the graphics settings in Mobile Legends. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing the graphics options in Mobile Legends is easy. To do it, from the main dashboard of the game, tap the settings icon from the top right of the screen. Here in Basic Settings, the Graphics section is at the bottom. You can switch between Smooth, Medium, High and Ultra. Depending on your device, you may not be able to run the highest settings without affecting your performance. Your graphics settings have now been updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mobile Legends tips and tricks.